So when you have airborne contaminants in a space, the best way to get those out of the air, to knock those out of the air, is with a fogging apparatus and fogging the disinfectant or the sanitizing agent. The different types of fogging apparatus that you would use would depend on the size of the space and the contents in that space. This has a 700 watt induction motor on it. That motor, by the way, generates at 38,000 RPM. And this has 40-foot range, so in an environment like a warehouse, like where we're in right here, this is a perfect application for this type of device that you could shoot out 40 feet in the air. Gymnasium, those types of large volume spaces. This has a adjustable tip on it, anywhere from 5 to 30 micron size. Has your shoulder strap on it that has the pad on it as well, and a 20-foot extension cord. Okay, now we're going to show the proper way to empty this unit out. As far as flushing the unit out, you want to make sure that you're unplugged. So, first thing that you do, make sure you're unplugged. Empty out all your solution, and then proceed to flush the unit out twice. Fill it up, let it overflow a little bit, empty it out, and then repeat. And then put about 1/4 of a tank in there of clean water, cap back on, plug it in, and run the machine. Very price point conscious. This machine's very good, well-engineered machine for the value.